So, friends, in our continuous series, we are on question number 9. Question number 9 is that examine the uniqueness of tribal knowledge system when compared with mainstream knowledge and cultural system. 150 वर्ड क्वेश्चन है, 10 मार्कर. इसमें क्या है, इस क्वेश्चन में ब्रॉड आउटलाइन बता देता हूँ. इसमें आपको ट्राइबल नॉलेज कल्चर का यूनिकनेस बताना है एज़ कम्पेयर टू मेन स्ट्रीम हमारी कल्चर है उससे. सही, ब्रॉडली फोकस इस क्वेश्चन का यही रहेगा और मैक्सिमम पॉइंट भी इसके यही रहेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट आपको एक लास्ट में ऑब्वियसली यू शुड फॉलो दिस रूल. देयर इज इंट्रो ऑन ट्राइब, व्हाट आर ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स एंड दीज ऑल थिंग्स. एंड लास्ट में आपको एक कंक्लूजन प्रोवाइड करा देना. ये ब्रॉड आउटलाइन इस क्वेश्चन का. सो आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो दैट व्हाट इज़ ये ट्राइबल ग्रुप क्या होते हैं ये आप बता सकते हो. ठीक है, और ट्राइबल सोसाइटी क्या होती है एक इंट्रोडक्शन में आप दो एक लाइन में, 2 लाइन में मैक्सिमम यू कैन राइट डाउन दैट दे हैविंग यूनिक आइडेंटिटी and they having a unique territory with common name and having strong kinship relation. So example यहाँ you can example दे सकते हो that this Mankedia group, Mankedia tribe living in Odisha region, Toda people living in limited territory or their fixed territory. ये आप 1-2 लाइन में राइट डाउन कर सकते हो इंट्रोडक्शन में अबाउट ट्राइबल ग्रुप एंड ट्राइबल सोसाइटी. व्हाट इज़ दिस बेसिक आउटलाइन. नाउ आवर क्वेश्चन इज हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट, देयर यूनिकनेस कंपेयर टू मेन स्ट्रीम नॉलेज. मेन स्ट्रीम से इसको आपको डायरेक्ट आ जाना है. हाउ दे आर यूनिकनेस ऑफ ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स. यहाँ आपको मैक्सिमम पॉइंट देना है बिकॉज आपको 150 वर्ड में इसको कंप्लीट करना है. 10 मार्कर क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ जितना आप डाइवर्सिफाई हो सकते हो 2 पॉइंट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. सबसे पहले आप यहाँ दे सकते हो दैट दे हैविंग देयर यूनिक दिस ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज सिस्टम. ट्रेडिशनल वो जैसे वेरी फेमस एग्जांपल है इसका 2004 में जब सुनामी आई थी इन दिस इंडोनेशिया रीजन है. इवन दे टुडे वी आर यूजिंग दिस अर्ली वार्निंग सिस्टम बट इवन दे वी आर अवेयर ऑफ एट दैट टाइम दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन और दैट ट्राइबल ऑफ अंडमान और निकोबार and how they can protect themselves from these tsunamis. So that is the traditional knowledge system of their learning of their own, their medical knowledge, medicinal knowledge में आप एग्जांपल दे रहे हो. टुडे वी आर दिस यूनानी नॉलेज, सिद्धा, these all having genesis from tribal knowledge only. That today Ayush ministry. ठीक है. After talking on these aspects, you can talk on having their unique environmental conservation techniques. ठीक है. Conservation technique and having expertise in environment and forest because they were their life and livelihood dependent on this forest. So here you can put an example of very famous, very recently news root bridge of Meghalaya. Very famous root bridge of Meghalaya, this rubber tree, how they made a bridge एंड इसमें आप रिसेंटली जर्मनी का इंटरवेंशन बता सकते हो, हाउ जर्मनी का इसमें रोल था। ये करंट अफेयर्स की न्यूज़ थी। सो देयर लव टुवर्ड्स फ्लोरा एंड फ्योना। ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट सेक्रेड ग्रुप्स। They having a sacred group of this some of the even they not cutting the trees, those who are sacred group। ये न्यूज़ में था 2021 में, ऑल द ईयर ये न्यूज़ में था। इस पर कई एडिटोरियल आए थे, आर्टिकल भी आए थे। सेक्रेड ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रीज उनके रहते हैं जिनकी वो काटते नहीं और पूजा करते हैं। After that you can talk about their separate food techniques, food habits as compared to mainstream से उनकी food habits different हैं और their uniqueness ultimately। Even you put a case study on how they were aware of this medicinal knowledge, that in pandemic time today we are focusing on social distancing. There is tribe on Odisha, and the tribe is very well aware of that social distancing norms even in, and they are following this type of measures from ancient. But today we are focusing this in when there is a pandemic or COVID sab you can link here. But these tribes were aware of these things from ancient times. Now after writing down 6 points, you should write down very famous, they having their tribal religion. Now this tribal religion is not, even you can say that, entirely different from mainstream religion, because they are more oriented towards naturalism or more of egalitarian. But today's our religion system is more of stratification, social stratification, that which belongs to this class, to this class belongs to this class belong to this. So in tribal religion it's not exist, they are natural living people, ultimately their own tribal religion is there. So after writing down for 6-7 points, you come to that is the different aspect of this question, that they are the tribal people were exploited because they having no patent right, and unavailability of data. Because of this, the private players or sometime governments exploited these tribal peoples over the period of time. So in this regard, many development had taken place and recently going on. Many policies now focusing on tribal and their issues, their minor forest produce, their economic benefits. So you can write down on concluding remark that they are the most important asset of society if we nurtured them properly, and they are not mutually exclusive. We should integrate them and provide a confidence to these tribal groups. So in this regard, there is very famous initiative. You should write down this initiative of Ministry of Human Resource and Development, that digital library, where all the data and the analysis of tribal knowledge is presented and anybody can study to go there. So these type of initiative and many more would we have where we have to focus on. So that is simple. That is concluding remark. So thank you. Now here we have you have to focus is that please don't over 150 वर्ड्स पे आपको बहुत फोकस करना है, इसको क्रॉस नहीं करना. अल्टीमेटली इफ़ यू विल क्रॉस दिस 150 मार्क्स you will be penalized because you have to attempt 20 questions. If you will cross 150 words, ultimately you will lose 1 or 2 questions in last, and haphazardly you will do something which is not acceptable to examiner and not impressive. So please focus on this aspect. Thank you. I will be continue for question number 10 in next video.